Hi, I'm Jason Ashton. I'm the CEO of CallPass, and we're here with Mark today to talk about our LANA smart sensor solution.
My name's Mark Abolafia, and I'm president of the HOA at Highland Beach Club in Highland Beach, Florida.
Mark, thanks for joining. What was the issue that Highland Beach Club was looking to solve, and why was it a priority?
Well, Highland Beach Club is a 27-year-old property, and as such, there are a few plumbing issues here and there that occur. There are hot water heaters that are unattended or not shut down when people leave. So we had a lot of issues with respect to leaking appliances, some pipes, etc. And essentially what was happening was one person leaks and takes out 1, 2, or 3 in the line below them with respect to the damage. So aside from the property management time to find it, go fix it, start to get it repaired, aside from the inconvenience to residents and owners, it's of course the cost and the time to make all that stuff happen. And when it comes to water leaks, basically time is money when it comes to that.
Sure. What was the financial impact, historically for the HOA, for the property management? How do you quantify something like that?
So it's fairly easy to quantify, actually. It was costing anywhere from a few thousand to 5-digit damages, depending on the extent and time it took to discover that a leak was happening, much less get to shut the water off and start to make repairs. So we were looking at multiple tens of thousands annually to fix these issues. And then of course the time spent by management and our maintenance staff going to help try to fix it, etc.
Okay. How did you get introduced to CallPass and ultimately the LANA smart sensor solution?
So we were introduced to some folks down here who have been in the IoT business and sensor business for a while. They recommended you guys, and we went through the numbers and we took a look at what it was costing us per year, and it was, to be frank, a fairly straightforward decision to move forward with a solution that would help us get early warning and notification of leaks going on in the units.
Okay. How quickly, I know it's been installed for a few months, so how quickly did the property management company recognize the value of the service, and how are you guys quantifying ROI to date?
So it took essentially a couple of days to discover how great the service was, because it didn't take that long once we installed all the sensors and turned up into the managed service for something to happen in one of the buildings. So the time to implementation was very quick. The time to making use of the service, fortunately or unfortunately, depending on how you want to look at it, was very quick. And per the previous incidents that had happened on the property, we saved a ton of money with respect to potential damage and very fast time to understanding that there was a problem and how to go fix it.
Okay, so you're recognizing it right out of the gate.
Absolutely, it's almost an instantaneous ROI. In fact, if you put the cost of the sensors against the first incident that happened, it literally paid for itself in the first round.
Amazing, great to hear. Well, with that, as an HOA president, and I know you can't speak for the property manager or anything along those lines, but would you recommend this to property management companies and HOAs alike for other buildings similar to yours?
Oh, absolutely. It's almost a no-brainer decision. Again, the low cost of entry for the sensors, the managed service cost per month or on an annual basis. Like I said before, your ROI is instant, and you'll have much happier owners and tenants when they don't see a waterfall coming down their ceiling. So awesome. It all works out pretty well.